Goodbye to all those nice people. Bye. See you in 3 weeks. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. You'll never see them again.
I think not at all.
Welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Les Capable. I'll be your guide. As I'm driving backwards without looking where I'm going, let's just talk a little bit about safety. Please remain seated. Your hands, arms, feet, legs, facial hair inside the boat, and children, please watch your parents. Now we begin our tour here in the Lost River Delta of Adventureland. Our first stop is right through that. Oh, look. Wild animals. Look at them walking over there on their hind legs. Those bright colored ones are poisonous, but those little ones, they can latch on you for 18 to 27 years and bleed you dry. Or so I'm told. We now find ourselves surrounded by an ancient Cambodian shrine, and would you look at the size of that Indo-Chinese tiger? I know why that tiger has stripes like those ones. Well, it's to avoid being spotted, right? Probably shouldn't stand out in the open like that, but whatever floats his boat. All right, let's see what's around this corner here. Oh my goodness, it looks like the whole herd came out to play today. Wow, that's almost unheard of. Welcome everybody to the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephants. Now does anybody know how we can tell that these are Indian elephants? Their ears. Excellent answer. Incorrect though, it's because we're in India. Real close that time.
Shoot him!
Alright, well, let's go. Oh, boys, going to begin. Watch out, folks. Watch out. He's going to get it. Switch him. I'm getting ducked out. He's getting ducked out. I'm getting ducked out. Look, folks, I would never, ever lead us towards danger. Don't forget that. Now, let's keep moving on. We're just going to stop by the safari camp real quick and pick up some supplies. Actually, on second thought, folks, please remain calm. We got some monkey business. Oh boy, what a mess. Duck, giraffes. Oh, folks, and look at that. The pride of lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. That's how they sleep in the wild. On their side, neck slightly bent, eyes wide open. Let's continue. What an uplifting experience. I actually know that fellow on the bottom. That's my friend Ina. Everybody say hi, Ina. No? My apologies. Uh-oh, we've been spotted.
All right, everybody, take cover.
Spear. Ricochet. Spear. Ricochet. Is everybody all right? I cannot stress this enough. I had an English teacher on my boat last week and she didn't listen. Now she teaches shorthand.